Hi, welcome to the series called Money, Sex, Power. We are starting a series today. Why are we starting the series? Maybe you want to know that. Because everybody wants to be successful. But the truth is, they don't know how to become successful. Everyone go to any place, you see people, they want to be successful. But no one knows how to be successful. Usually, success is learned by failing. Failure is the beginning of success. You actually know what to do, what not to do when you fail. When you fail in an exam, you know exactly what to study. When you fail in an interview, you know exactly what to answer. But the truth is, failure is very costly. Okay? Many of us, we are afraid of failing. So, because we are afraid of failing, we are not able to be successful. Now, I want to teach in this platform how to be successful in a very, very easy way. Learning success is very much like learning bicycle. Now, people learn bicycle in their teenage or even earlier than that. Now, there are two ways of learning. One of my friend, he learned bicycle on himself. That is, he took his dad's cycle and he began to, roll it on the ground, and he started to move it, and slowly and slowly and slowly. By the time he learned the bicycle, he had bruises all over. So he used to come and show me all his bruises. He's telling, I am hurt all over. But there is another way of learning bicycle. How I learned bicycle. I went to my dad and I told him, Dad, you teach me bicycle. So what happened? My daddy held the bicycle in the back and I was pedaling from the front. And slowly and steadily, I was driving the bicycle without even knowing that my dad left his support. He was standing far away, and when I turned back and I saw my daddy so far away and I fell down. I still remember that. My friend, success can be learned by two ways. You can learn success by yourself, or you learn success from somebody who is a mentor or a daddy or a teacher. Very important. Learning success by yourself is not that easy. It is very time consuming. You fail, you learn, you change, your trial and error. All these things takes a lot of time. But the second type of learning success is more very easy. You learn from your daddy or from your teacher or from your mentor or from somebody who has gone that way little further by yourself. Okay? So always you learn to be successful. If you want to be successful in sports, you learn it from an expert sportsman who has already gone before you. He can teach you. Now, you listen to all the expert sportsmen like cricketers or footballer. They always had a mentor. The mentor taught them the game. That's how they become successful in sports. Some people have mentors in studies. You need a mentor in your family life. Many people fail in family because they don't have anyone to teach them the success in family life. Many people have no mentors in business. They just go around, they try and try and try, and ultimately by some hook or crook they become successful. You need not be like that way. You can be successful in every area of your life if you have a mentor. So having a mentor is to have the success without the pain. That is why I am here in this platform to teach you success. Now, probably you are asking me, why have we named it as money, sex, power instead of naming it as success or victory or something else like that? Now, let me tell you one thing. These are the three important areas where we need to be successful individually. For example, you need to be successful in money. If you are successful in money, you become rich. If you are rich, then you can do a lot of things with that money. The second area you need to be successful is sex. Now, sex, when you are successful, you are very good in relationship, because every relationship has a responsibility associated. When you don't equate the relationship and the responsibility, then the relationship becomes a pain or a problem in your life. My friends, unless you master sex, you cannot master love. You cannot master relationship. You cannot master family. You cannot master many things in life. So you have to master sex. The third area you need to master is power. Now, power, if you know how to master it, will make you a leader. Many people have become leaders and abuse the power which is given to them. Instead of building people, they destroy people and ultimately they destroy themselves. There are so many examples in front of us. My friends, if you need to master life and be successful, you need to master money, sex, and power. That's why we have named this as Master Money Sex Power. I have compiled a book called Master Money Sex Power. You can pick this up from Amazon or Flipkart. I am going to teach from this book the principles of success, the bedrock of success. When you build the principles and the foundations, you automatically become successful. Also, every day morning at 8 a.m., I teach about success from this platform, from the book Master Money Sex Power. To spread this news, subscribe to this channel, forward this channel to many of your friends so that almost every one of your people can be successful the easy way. See you tomorrow.